Hello, today I would like to show you how to use MATLAB. Um, use a MATLAB Simulink on a construct circuit which is thermistor. First of all, we need a constant. You can press Ctrl copy and Ctrl V. We need this one. We change the name to temperature. And then we need sum. You can type sum, and this one is sum, but you need to put double click and make it rectangular, and you can enlarge the sum, and then also we need a Simulink TS converter, which is this one. And also we will need control temperature source, and this is our control temperature source. How to align it with this one, with our sum? We will click Ctrl R, rotation, and then we need thermal reference. Also we need solver configuration, and then we need resistor, control R to rotate it, and then we need three resistor. You can copy it, and most of all we need supply, which is voltage supply. We on this circuit we will use DC voltage supply, DC voltage source. This is our DC voltage source, and then we will need thermistor. Control rotate, and then also we need voltage sensor. This is our voltage sensor, and also we need display. This is our display. We need PS Simulink converter, which is to convert the voltage signal to display signal. Okay, now we will lastly we will need electrical reference, which is our grounding. So then we will connect all the circuit to the component. This is our Simulink. This is, you can how to show the name of the component. You can click the component, and then it will come out with 3 dots, and you can click the dot and show the block name, show all the block name. Okay, then we continue our circuit. This one, A, thermal reference, and the solver configuration goes to here, and then DC to resistor. This one resistor, this one is R1, and this one is R2, and this one is R3. How to change the name? You double click on the name, and then you can put you can insert any name you want. This one here. And then connect it here and here. And then this connection from control temperature source go to our thermistor, which is give a signal of temperature to the thermistor. And also our voltage sensor is connect here. Our voltage negative is connected to after R3, negative terminal to after our resistor number 3 terminal, and then our voltage signal is to voltage PS simulink converter. So this is the display, and then that's all. So our circuit is complete. Okay, so now our temperature, this one is constant. So now we change our resistor. We change the value of the resistance to 2931.59 ohms in ohms, tolerance 5%. You click apply and then okay, same as this one. 2931.59 ohms. For you to make you easier, you can control copy this number, and then you double click, and then you can paste it. Control V and apply. And then thermistor in our question, which is our reference temperature, T naught is 298, and then our nominal resistance is 1000, and our temperature constant for beta is 3500. So now our circuit is out. Now before that, we should change the DC voltage, which is we use here 10 volt, and then the temperature here, which we put 100. Temperature we should have in Kelvin, so the constant is 273. So for example, you want 100 degrees Celsius, you need to plus with the constant, which is 273. So now you can run after you construct all the circuit on and complete the circuit. You can press run, and then you will get the display, which is 4.688. This is our voltage output, which is in a temperature of 100 in thermistor, and then it will give the signal to voltage sensor, and voltage sensor will give the signal to the display, and it will count all the voltage output, and we will get 4.688 voltage output. And then if you want to change the temperature, you double click temperature and then 150, click apply, click OK, and then you can run again until the bleep ringing, and then you can check the display, it will change. So by here we know that the temperature, if the temperature increase, the voltage output also increase. Okay, thank you very much.